do some shoulders, we're going to do some abs, and we're going to finish it off with 30-minute cardio. Warm up kar lein. Warm up ke baad pehli exercise, we're going to start off with 5 sets of 20 alternate front raises. Again, आपके shoulder के जो हिस्से हैं, this is your anterior head, this is your lateral head, and then पीछे जाके मेरा बाजू नहीं जाता, पीछे आपका आ गया rear head. उसके बाद आपका traps आ गया. Different angles से आप अपने shoulder को hit करते हैं. Let's go big guy, nice and slow. So when we're talking about such high repetition, 20, I mean, आपके shoulder की बस हो जाएगी. Whenever I am building a workout या हम कोई workout की series कर रहे हैं, हम बैठ के जब इस बारे में बात करते हैं किस तरह का workout बनाना है, अगर मैं बहुत high rep लगवा रहा हूँ, I'm not gonna make you lift too heavy on barbell presses or dumbbell presses because वहाँ पे आपकी injury हो जाएगी. Plus, we're talking about shredded all year. We're talking about staying aesthetic and lean. You don't really have to lift too heavy weights, but you have to hit your dry spots. You have to hit your interior. You have to hit your rear. You have to hit your lateral head, your traps, your obliques. छोटी-छोटी areas को आपको hit करना पड़ेगा. So you're doing 20 by 20. So 19 and 19 and 20 and 20. That's about it. That's your first exercise. 5 sets of 20. यानी 20 एक बाजू के, 20 दूसरे बाजू के, ये एक सेट बनता है. 30 to 45 second break. It's a very high rep workout. ये पहली आपकी exercise थी. 5 sets of 20 repetitions. Now, since आपके shoulder जो है वो आपके anterior deltoid pump हो गया होगा, now we're gonna do, let's go big guy, 5 sets of 10 to 12. Here you go. Go higher. Touch my hand. And 1. So अब मैं shoulder press आपसे लगवा रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैंने चाहता हूँ पूरा shoulder hit ना करें, anterior hit करें. Keep your dumbbells here. They're not like Arnold presses. Keep your dumbbells here. Go outwards. Here you go. See, you're not coming up straight like a push press. You're going outwards. Little bit of a 20% angle के ऊपर जाए. Push it, push it, push it. All you're using is the same muscle that you just pumped up with your pre-exhaust, with your alternate front raises. Here you go. 5 set. That's about it. 5 sets. 10 to 12 repetitions. भारी उठा रहे हैं 8 रेपिटेशन, थोड़ा भारी उससे ज़्यादा है 10 पे चले हैं, नहीं तो पुश करें 12 रेपिटेशंस की. हर सेट के ऊपर हर एक्सरसाइज में ट्राई टू इंक्रीज द वेट. 5, 7, 8, 10, 12 किलो हर एक्सरसाइज में बढ़ाते जाएं. Now, David, come right in the center. Now what I want you to do, we're back on hitting your anterior deltoid, but this time we're using a curl bar, lean forward 10%. Okay, come up and 3-second pause. 1, 2, and 1. हमने 3 set 15 repetition के with a 3-second pause on top. Now, see, we talked about pumping the muscle, and we talked about growing the muscle with presses. This is gonna finish off your muscle. Up. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Come on. And 1, 2, 14, little bit tilted up, that's 20% here, and 1, 2, and 15. That's about it. So you're not standing straight, you're a little bit at an angle, ताकि you can hit that, you know, that certain area, you know, कितना मिठा area, you can hit that area really well. Now, since you're interior, अभी हमने आपका front का हिस्सा बस करा दी है. No, come here, बेटा. It's easier. So आपने अपने front के हिस्से की बस करा दी, आपने pump भी दे दिया, दोबारा front को hit किया. Now we're gonna hit your lateral head. पर इसके अंदर we're gonna do seated lateral head with a tempo. So you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Means we're gonna do 5 sets of 15, 3 second, 3 second. Go. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 14, 1, 2, 14, and 1, 2, 15, and 1, 2, 15. So it's a tempo-based workout. Pura workout is high rep. You know, I'm not talking about negatives. I'm talking about tempo-based, which is, this is negative. 1, 2, 3. Tempo means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, ऊपर जाते हुए भी टाइट है, नीचे आते हुए भी टाइट है, ऊपर जाते हुए भी स्लो है, नीचे आते हुए भी स्लो है. 5 sets, 15 repetitions. Now, we're going to do bend over rear laterals. We're going to hit your rear delt. हमने chest के दिन में भी 4-5 दिन पहले ये शेयर किया हुआ था. थोड़ा सा rear delt hit किया है. But now again, same thing, tempo based. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3. 5 sets of 15. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. This is what you're hitting. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 13. Come on, boy. 1, 2, 14, 1, 2, 14. One more. 1, 2, 15, and 1, 2, 15. It's very important to know when we're talking about tempo or negative is it's not 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. See, it's 1, 2, 1, pause, 1, 2, 1. It's 1, 2, 1, pause, 1, 2, 1. 5 sets, 15 repetitions के. Now to wrap up the whole workout, अभी हमने front भी hit कर लिया, lateral भी hit कर लिया, real भी hit कर लिया. Again, when we're talking about being, you know, we're not talking about being D's and big and all bulked up. We're talking about shredded, lean. इस किस्म की exercises, isolation works the most because you're cutting fat through your cardio, you're cutting fat by keeping your body in a calorie deficit. Then you work on a lot of isolation exercises ताकि, you know, when you're wearing these kind of a tank tops and you're showing off tattoos and everything, you gotta look good rather than just pressing all the time. Now we're gonna do 6 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions of dumbbell shrugs with a 5-second pause on top. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Down. Stretch. Good job, boy. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Good job, boy. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. ऊपर जाते हुए शोल्डर को पूरा स्क्वीज करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. And up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. That's about it. You can put it away. So हमने क्या किया जब आपने डंबल स्ट्रक्स लगाने, it's very important to work on that squeeze. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So जब ऊपर जाना है, you gotta make sure time under tension जो आपका जो ट्रैप का मसला है उसको भी आप स्क्वीज करें, ना कि शोल्डर. You know a lot of people do this. आपसे उससे कुछ नहीं मिलना. Now shoulder हमारा wrap up हो गया. Let's go big guy. Let's do some abs like we promised. Shoulder and ab workout. Same drill. 4 sets of 20 hanging leg raises. अब कोई कहेगा बाजी लात कानू मारी मैं यार मेरे घोटा रेडी एंड 1. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया हुआ है, अगर आपसे टांगे सीधी रख के लेग रेसेस नहीं होते, यू कैन बेंड योर नीज. लेट्स गो एंड हियर वी गो. इट्स द सेम थिंग. थोड़ा बहुत टांगे बेंड करने से नी टक से हो जाते हैं, तो थोड़ा आपकी बैक से प्रेशर, कोर से प्रेशर उठ जाता है. अदरवाइज इट्स एग्जैक्टली द सेम एक्सरसाइज. एंड गिव मी वन मोर बिग गाय एंड अप. ऑसम. 4 सेट 20 repetitions के with the maximum of 30-second break in between. Let's finish it off with 4 sets of 20 cable crunches. Here we go. And that's your squeeze. Come, come, come. And stretch. जिस स्पीड में नीचे जाना है उसी स्पीड में ऊपर आना है. Squeeze. Breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, and stretch. Come on, boy. Squeeze. Breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, and stretch. And that is your squeeze. And breathe out, and that's about it. 4 sets, 20 repetitions with a 30-second break in between. All together, ये workout, इतना workout आप जो है 50 मिनट में finish कर लेंगे. उसके बाद make sure to do a cool down 30-minute cardio. आप करना मत भूलें. कोई भी cardio की form हो जाए, walk कर लें, jog कर लें, जैसे मैं कहता रहता हूँ. Best way to do cardio is Stairmaster. लेकिन YouTube पे हमें subscribe करना मत भूलें. My Bollywood Body. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.